Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby sandal designs. Different color, different designs, combinations also in front of you. I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet baby sandal designs and others like crochet baby footwear collection, crochet baby boot designs, slipper designs also, crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, crochet women long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet women long dresses, bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder dresses also, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also, and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, try this collection. Enjoy this video. Now goodbye till the next video.